Okay, so I was wrong about Springzilla. Springzilla is coming out, and the original double spring is going back in. The reason being, Springzilla did work amazingly. There was no slip at all. Just all the power in the engine hit the road, and it was great for about 100 miles. And then it seemed to just pretty much eat the clutch plates. I mean, largely speaking, there's a bit of meat on these. They're not all completely smooth. I mean, this one isn't too bad. It's one of the outer ones. The problem is, there's just not very much clutch material. There's 8 of these friction plates. I think the wet clutch was... They had to get rid of the dry clutch in 1970 because it was noisy. It's the same reason that... Oh, it's on the other side. But it's the same reason the cams have shims. It's no real mechanical function. It just stops them making so much noise. You've got to bear in mind with a stock exhaust, the mechanical engine noise off of this would have been astonishing. Anyway, I digress. The only way I could possibly fit a dry clutch on here is if I put a drain hole in the gearbox. So yeah, I don't think I'm going to be doing that anytime soon. If I ever have to take the crankcases apart for any reason, that might happen. But at the moment, the wimpy springs are going back in. I've got some new clutch plates soaking in the old clutch oil, and just have to put up with it, really. There is something I've seen which is quite expensive, but it's a completely remade clutch. Somebody's come up with, I don't know who, I forget who, and that fits the big twins from the era. So I'm thinking, well, 4-speed box, same clutch. I'll look into it anyway, because the thing I've noticed is the meat on those clutch plates is more like a BSA or a Honda one. You know, it's I don't know, say that much clutch plate meat. So it might be worth the investment if it fits. Cheerio, bye.